Here is the question about a linear transformation. Transformation is as you see in this part. Let us write the transformation is t x comma y comma z equals to x plus y comma y plus z comma z plus x. We can change this point as a matrix. Suppose, and we have to find the matrix for t. Suppose the matrix for t is this blank space, and we can write a matrix for this as you see here. Similarly, this will be written as x plus y, y plus z, z plus x. Now you see here, this matrix can be split in two parts. One x, y, z, and second after plus sign y, z, x. So for each part we can divide this matrix. For suppose this matrix is plus with plus sign, a part 1 and a part 2. Part 1 is for this, from this to this. You see this the same xyz xyz, and you know that identity matrix, if you multiply any matrix with an identity matrix you get the same. So for the first part there will be an identity matrix. Now think about the second part. Second part means here you see x, but here you see y. This means that this x goes to y. So at second entry there should be 1, because if you multiply this with this, 0 into x will be 0, y into 1 will be y, that is here, and z into 0 0. It remains only y. Similarly here you see z, so there will be 0 0 1. Here you see x, so first will be 1 and thereafter you have to take zeros. So sum of these two is the matrix for t. Let us get the sum. Sum will be 1 1 0, 0 1 1, and the last part is 1 0 1. To get the rank we try to make zeros. Here we can make 0 in the last row by subtracting. We get 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 minus 1, and here you can take 0. Thus you see that determinant of this, suppose this matrix is A, so that A is not 0. This means that nullity. This means that rank of T is 3. Rank of T is 3. Here you see the matrix with size 3 and you got 3. So nullity must be 0, because rank plus nullity should be equal to size of this matrix. Size is 3, 3 into 3, 3 is the size. So sum of these two must be 3. So rank T3, nullity 0. So our D is the correct option.